Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 14th October, Sunday. On the front page you have this news, it's a foggy autumn as farmers start burning stubble. So this is regarding stubble burning. So after harvest the stubble is left. As we have seen, this is the crop residue left, and to remove this crop residue machinery would be costly affair. So that is why agriculturalist farmers in Punjab and Haryana, as such, they burn this stubble. So stubble burning is the easiest way to clear the field and make it ready for the next cropping. So what happens is, because of this stubble burning there is air pollution, and because of this air pollution the geographical the setup is such that it all moves into Delhi. So Delhi sees winter pollution, air pollution, foggy days, and Punjab and Haryana stubble burning is also one of the contributing factors. So it's been long that steps are proposed to be taken to stop this stubble burning. Farmers have been proposed to be provided with subsidized mulchers and choppers, but then it is said that these mulchers and choppers remain out of reach because still it's a cost which the farmers have to bear, and also diesel is costly. So again stubble burning continues, and it is expected that again it would be contributing to air pollution. Then on page 2 you have this news, Zika, doctors advise caution this festive season. So this is the time when a lot of interstate movement takes place during the festive season, when people go back to their hometowns. So because of this the risk of Zika virus spreading to new areas increases. So doctors have advised caution. So this is the detail regarding Zika virus also given, which is transmitted primarily by Aedes mosquitoes, which bite during the day. So this is detailed out here. Then on page 6 you have this news, cross-border row over killings of state animal. So this is regarding the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh. So this is mithuns, which is shown here. So because of this killing in neighboring Assam, cross-border row has initiated. So you should know mithun is also known as Gayal, which is having scientific name Bos frontales. Then on Sundays you have this who, what, why, when and where coverage. So this is regarding ILNFS, which we have been discussing almost every day earlier for last few days. So Uday Kotak has been appointed by the central government along with a team as the board for ILNFS. So this is regarding that. Then this is the lowdown on bailout after default. So this is regarding the defaults which have taken place, and again this is SIDBI also, which has seen that defaults were taking place. So after it's linked to ILNFS issue too. So steps which are being taken, bailout provided here is detailed here. Then this is why was debt pile up overlooked. So this is again, there is a huge, again regarding ILFS only, that there was this huge debt which it had, why it was overlooked that in a near future it would not be able to fulfill on those debts, so service those debts actually. Then this is again companies path to bailout, again regarding ILNFS. So everything is regarding ILNFS. And this is the last news, building toll roads to tunnels. So again ILNFS is infrastructure leasing company. So this is again projects which it had undertaken, the completed projects all detailed out here. So the entire coverage, who, what, why, when, where is regarding ILNFS. Then on Sundays you have the science and technology coverage in the Hindu newspaper. So on page 14 you have this news, IIT Guwahati fabricates superior scaffold for cartilage repair. So the silk scaffold, which has seamless junction between the cartilage and bone portion, has been fabricated. Then this is human leopard conflict in the Himalayas. So this is the high risk zone here which needs special conservation attention. And this is glitch puts NASA's Chandra telescope in safe mode. So this is regarding the Chandra X-ray Observatory, which is observing the universe in high energy light since 1999. So this has entered into protective safe mode now. So this interrupts scientific observations and puts the spacecraft into a stable configuration now. So it's NASA's Hubble Space Telescope also entered into safe mode a week ago as such, and now Chandra mission has also suffered a glitch. Then this is unethical to withhold bedaquiline while waiting for phase 3 results. So this is regarding bedaquiline, which is a drug required for drug resistant TB. So this is a coverage regarding that. Then on Sundays, the social, international and business coverage is in the supplement. So here you have this news. Pune Center to collect, study multi-drug resistant bugs. So this is National Center for Cell Science in Pune, who is going to study national trends. And this is citizens take a step back to save Bengaluru Lake. So this is regarding the famous, or rather the infamous Belanda Lake of Bengaluru, where frothing takes place. We have discussed this in news quite often. It is very prominent. You should be knowing about it. Because of pollution, because of industrial factory chemicals also being flown out into as sewage into the lake, the chemicals result in frothing. The way frothing occurs when you have when you wash clothes, so that froth because of the washing detergent. So similar frothing is taking place over the lake, and steps are being taken now. Residents of Belindar are taking steps to save the lake as such. So they are using soap nut in place of factory chemicals now. And then on page 10, you have this interview rather here called, in which a statement is made, cyber security is an arms race. So this is an important statement. You will get the details or such from here too, that how cyber security needs to be constantly upgraded. So cyber security is a syllabus, is part of the syllabus for mains too. So this is important. So that is it. The last page has no important news. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our course. Details are provided here. Also, you can visit our website www.asr.com. In the current affairs section, you can visit and download the monthly PDFs also, which have been compiled. Plus also the daily PDFs are available here by the end of the day, which can be downloaded. So that is it. Thank you.